And the second thing is the nature, all right? Every animal on this earth actually has some nature, right? We human actually also kind of an animal, one kind of animal, right? And if you watch the National Geographic about the animals kingdom, you will see they are very cohesive, right? They are very cohesive. And why? And how? They are cohesive because they know they, as a community, they are actually in danger. Danger of what? Someone or some other animals that are superior to them by some of the means. It may be actually strength, sorry. It may be strength, or it may be something like, or anything, even, human tries to destroy some of the animals. So if they are not cohesive, if they are not energetic, they will not be able to survive. So it boils down to something like survival. But even though they are in the survival mode, they will never kill some other animal of their own community. But only the human being actually, even for a living, sorry, even for a living, they are willing and they actually do kill some other human being. That's not seen in any other animal kingdom. Why actually that is the case? Actually, this is the root of the question, right? This is actually the root of the question. Well, why? See, the family you come from, especially your mother and your father. So I'll give you an example. Okay, there is a person called, let's say, Mr. X, and her wife is Miss Y or Mrs. Y or Mrs. X. Okay, and she actually sends her kid to the school with 2 boxes of tiffin. Well, why? Whether actually he needs only one. The kid actually needs only one. Why then the mother sends the kid with 2 boxes of tiffin? And the reason for that actually is she tells the child that one is for yourself, you eat it, and the other one is to give someone else. So that's the point. So she is actually training the child to become someone who actually gives. Okay, and nothing on the earth is more attractive than the giving nature of a human being. So that's very important. Keep it in your mind. Okay, so when you actually develop the worldview of giving someone else, then you actually do what? You actually learn that the world or the life is not just about yourself, it's also about others, right? And that's the point. Actually, you differentiate that you actually have the purpose outside of yourself. It's not just about you. It's not just about staying good with yourself. I think that's one of the most important things that I can actually show you or tell you. So in that process, the child is going to learn that he has the responsibility to actually take care of some stranger, some other people that are not, maybe even that may not be his family members, all right, or his relatives or something like that. if someone is in need of the food, then he should provide him with his best ability, right? Right now, the best ability he has is those 2 boxes of tiffin. So he's learning from the childhood, right? But how many people, how many child gets that training? Everyone is about their own self. And that's the reason that we every human being on earth, we actually are born with the capability to take care of the 700 or 800 billion people on earth. We actually have that capability. All right? In what sense I'm even saying that? Well, look, if you see one other human being on earth actually needs your attention, and if you actually help that one human being, then it is as if you have helped all the other human being on the earth. And that's the verse of the Quran, right? So I think, but as time goes by, our mindset or the worldview actually becomes more narrow. We tend to think just about ourselves, our family, our wife, our kids, and these actually lead to the narrower worldview. And that's the reason many people, when they actually don't find any other way but to kill someone else to earn the living, they're actually going to do it.